Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to translate your messages on WhatsApp in real time. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Google Translate. Then tap Install, and once done, open the app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to the settings. Now, tap to translate and toggle it on. Allow the necessary permissions when prompted. Then go back, tap your profile icon again, and choose Download Languages. Select and download the language you want to translate from or to, for example, Spanish or French. Now open the WhatsApp. Go to any chat and tap and hold the message you want to translate, then copy. Then, open the Google Translate app. It will automatically detect the copied text and translate it for you. And also, you can enable the pop-up translate, tap to translate bubble so you don't need to switch app every time. Just paste the message right there. And that's how you translate the WhatsApp messages instantly. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe and comment what language you're translating to. Thanks for watching.